Hi everybody, this is Hillary with Unbound Medicine, and today we're going to take a closer look at NCLEX-RN Quest. NCLEX-RN Quest is another great study tool from Unbound Medicine. Like all resources in Nursing Central, no internet connection is necessary, so students can study on the go. In NCLEX-RN Quest, questions are organized by client needs areas as defined by NCSBN. Curriculum-specific questions in pharmacology, assessment, anatomy and physiology, etc., and cognitive level questions. This allows you to select a focus of study. Let's take a look at a quick quiz. A quick quiz asks you to answer questions. You can pause your quiz at any time to see your progress and review any answers. Integration with Nursing Central means that additional information may be provided by crosslinks. A quick study works like a practice test, where you see rationales to your answers immediately after answering each question. In addition, hints are available, as well as crosslinks. You can also access Glimpse. Glimpse will take you to either Tabor's Medical Dictionary or Davis's Drug Guide for the definition. This is only available in quick study mode. The questions in NCLEX-RN Quest are drawn randomly from the database. You can set goals, review missed questions, and use it anywhere. No internet connection is needed.